So today we are discussing the plant tissue culture. Today we are discussing the plant tissue culture of plant cell. So what is the meaning of the plant cell? I am now presenting by Dr. Tirunayur Yugandhar, Head and Assistant Professor of Botany, Government Dairy College, Maibad. So today we are discussing the third year plant cell biology. First topic, that is cell wall structure and functions. What is a plant cell wall? What are the importance of the plant cell wall and animal cell? The plant cell has specific cell wall is present, but animal cell do not having the cell wall. Means it indefinite in shape in animal cell. The plant cell has a definite shape which can help to the cell wall. The cell wall is a major distinguishable character between the plant cell and animal cell. Also, second one, plastids are present in plant cell. Animal cells are absent. Plastids means chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast is a present, but animal is also absent, which is called heterotrophs. But in a plant cell, vacuoles are present, but here the vacuoles are absent in animal cells. The centrosal is absent in animal cell. Centrosols are present in plant cell. Plant cell is absent, animal cell is present, which is also major distinguishable character features of the plant cell and animal cell. Present the plant cell. What is the differentiation of the plant cell? What are the structure and functions of the plant cell? So the plant cell wall is the first observed named simply as well as a wall. Simply observed in plant only wall by Robert Hooke in 1665. In 1804, Carl Rudolphi and J.G. Link proved that cells have independent cell walls. Cells, only plant cells have independent cell walls, do not have animal cells. A cell wall is a structural layer that surrounds some types of cells situated outside the cell membrane. The cell wall is a structure. Structure means ahar. Structural layer outside the layers. One or two or three layers. Majorly three layers are which having a plant cell wall that surrounds the some types of cells or all types of the cells in plant cells. All types means the plant cell is a root tips, meristematic tissues. Root tips have a meristem. Which meristem? Root meristem and associative meristem and epidermal tissue, cortical tissue. So which have a definitely having a cell wall. It is situated outside the cell membranes. It can be tough, flexible and rigid with provides cell with both structural support and protections. The cell wall is a tough in nature, tough, garukam, and flexible, directly fixed, and rigid. Rigid means strong, which provides cell with both structural support and protection. Structure is the support and protections are there. So this is also major of nature. So this is a animal cell and a plant cell also different. And the animal cell vacuoles and plant cells also called vacuoles are present here sometimes of animal cells. 10 to 30 microns in length. That is called animal cell. But here is 10 to 100 microns in length. Typical round in irregular in shape. The typical regular or cubic in shape. Irregular in shape is called animal cell. The regular or a definite shape or cubical shape or rectangular shape is called a plant cell. So this is also diagrammatically differentiation between the animal cell and a plant cell. The meaning of the cell wall, it is the outer rigid protective supportive and semi-transparent covering of plant cells, fungi and some protista. Cell walls was first seen in Cork cells by Hooke in 1665. Robert Hooke 1665 లో first observed in a Cork cells. Cork means geomes. Cork bendu. It can observe under his own constructed microscope by Robert Hooke. Its thickness varies in different types of cells from 0.1 millimicron to 10 millimicrons in size. Cell wall is a non-living extracellular secretion or matrix of the cell, which is closely appreciated to it. It is, however, metabolically active and is capable of growth. Cell wall is a non-living, not only that is also growth takes place. The protoplast is which can be large in size. The cell wall is also large size. But the cell wall is a not growth and development takes place. Means it is called a non-living cell organelles of plant cell. Closely appreciated to it. It is however metabolically active and is capable of growth. Metabolical reactions. Metabolically means so it can be transport function and also called a protection function, which is also metabolically active and is capable of growth. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ద కణాలు మొక్కల యొక్క కణాలు శిలీంధ్రాలు మరియు కొన్ని పుటిష్టాల యొక్క బాహ్య ధ్రువ ప్లాట్ యొక్క రక్షణాత్మకమైన సమీపారదర్శక కవరింగ్ పొరని మన సెల్ గోడ అంటాం. సెల్ గోడను మొట్టమొదట కార్క్ కణాలు హూక్ 1665లో చూశారు. దీని మందం 0.1 మిల్లీమైక్రాన్స్ ఉంటాయి నుండి 10 మిల్లీమైక్రాన్స్ వరకు వివిధ రకాల కణాలతో మారుతుంది. గోడ అనేది జీవరహితం ఎక్స్ట్రా సెల్యులర్ స్రావం లేక సెల్ యొక్క మాతృక దానికి దగ్గరగా ఉంటుంది. అయినప్పటికీ ఇది జీవక్రియలు చురుగ్గా ఉంటుంది మరియు వృద్ధి చెందగలదు. ఇదంటే సెల్ గోడ అనేది జీవరహితమైన ఎక్స్ట్రా సెల్యులర్ స్రావం లేదా సెల్ యొక్క అయినప్పుడు ఇది కూడా యాక్టివ్ ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ద ప్లాంట్ సెల్ వాల్ అనేది మైక్రోమీటర్ నుంచి చేసి చాలా కూడా పల్చగా ఉంటాయి. ఎందుకంటే దీని యొక్క స్ట్రక్చర్పై నిర్మాణం అభివృద్ధి ఉంటుంది. The plant cell wall is a remarkable structure. It provides the most significant difference between plant cell and eukaryotic cells. Significant different in plant cells and eukaryotic cells means lower organisms, which is also called algae, fungi, bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperms and geosperms. All of the plant cell organelles. All are the group of plants which have the cell wall rigidity and tough and roughness is also just difference. The wall is rigid up to many micrometers in thickness and gives plant cell is a very definite in shape. So the wall means the cell outer layer which is also rigid. Rigid means it is a definite, also called attractive and also called packed to the protoplast. So while most cells have an outer membrane known is a comparable in strength to the plant cell wall. The cell wall is a reason for the difference between plant and animal cell function because the plants has evolved these rigidity structures. The plant is evolved. Evolved means it can be originated into the rigidity structures. That is also plant cell. So this plant cell wall structure which can diagrammatically show in that plant cell wall. The primary cell wall, outer middle lamella, inner membranes or plasma membranes. The plant cell walls, pectin and crossing links and cellulose. This is also figure 1. So but here is the outer middle inner membranes. The 3 layers are which can be seen there. So the middle lamella, primary cell wall, secondary cell wall is outer. The wall structure a mature of a lignified plant cells in cross section or longitudinal section to type of the diagrams. The components of plant cell wall. The plant cell wall composed of 4 layers. The middle lamella, the primary cell wall, secondary cell wall and tertiary cell wall. The 3 layers is also which important for the protection layer, that is called a plant cell wall. Plant cell wall. So this plant cell wall, it is also such as are there. The middle lamellae. What is the means of middle lamellae? First outer, the presence between the two adjacent cells. The two adjacent cells outer layer is called middle lamellae. It is situated outside the primary cell wall. Middle lamellae, primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, tertiary cell wall. The middle lamellae is called outermost. It is made up of calcium and magnesium pectate. It acts as a cement which holds the adjacent cell together. Adjacent corners. The corners walls are adjacent to the middle lamellae. Middle means that is some middle between two cells. The primary cell, it is a form after the middle lamellae. The middle lamellae inside primary cell wall, a thin, flexible and extensible layer. It is capable of growth and expansion. The primary cell wall is capable, means growth and extension, increase in size and also different in shape. The backbone of the primary cell wall is formed by the cellulose fibrils. Cellulose fibrils are present. The backbones are present. The matrix is composed of hemicellulose, pectin, components, lipid structure and proteins. The primary cell wall is composed of hemicellulose, pectin, components, lipids and structural proteins are present. And the means the plant cell wall is made by the cellulose, hemicellulose, major particles of components of the cell wall. So this is also middle lamellae. The primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, plasma desmata. So the middle lamellae means adjacent, three adjacent cells. One cell to other cell adjacent part is called middle lamellae. Middle lamellae ఇది రెండు ప్రక్కన ఉంటుంది అంటే టూ సెల్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఉంటాయి. ప్రాథమిక సెల్ కూడా వెలుపల కాల్షియం మరియు మెగ్నీషియం పెక్టేట్తో రూపొందించింది. ఇది పక్కనే ఉన్న కణాలకు సిమెంట్గా పనిచేస్తుంది. ఒక కణానికి ఇంకో కణానికి మధ్యన సిమెంట్ వల్ల పనిచేస్తుంది. దాన్ని ప్రైమరీ మిడిల్ లామెల్లా అంటాం. ప్రైమరీ సెల్ వాల్ మీన్స్ ప్రాథమిక కణత్వచం. ప్రాథమిక కణత్వచం అనేది మధ్య లామెల్లా, మిడిల్ లామెల్లా అంటే మధ్యపొర తర్వాత ఏర్పడుతుంది. ఇది ఏం చేసేది సన్నని విస్తరించబడిన పొర. ఇది పెరుగుదల మరియు విస్తరణ సామర్థ్యం కలిగి ఉంటుంది. The primary cell wall is with increase in size and also called definite in shape. The ప్రాథమిక సెల్ గోడ యొక్క వెన్నెముక సెల్యూలోజ్ ఫైబ్రిల్ ద్వారా ఏర్పడుతుంది. మాతృక హెమిసిల్యూలోజ్ పెక్టోస్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ లిపిడ్ స్ట్రక్చరల్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఆస్ అ కాంపోజిషన్. ద ప్రైమరీ సెల్ వాల్, secondary cell wall, tertiary cell wall, middle lamellae. First outermost middle lamellae, primary, secondary, tertiary, 4 parts are there. 4 cell walls are majorly present in a developing group of organisms of plants. Primary cell wall means cellulose, hemicellulose or xyloglycan and pectin. Plant epidermis, cutin and wax. Primary cell wall, cutin and wax. Secondary cell wall means cellulose 35 to 50%, xyla 20 to 35%, lignin 20 to 25%, which is a composition of secondary cell wall. Then the secondary cell wall, also the secondary cell wall, that is it is extremely rigid and provides a strength. It is not found in all cell types. It consists of 3 layers known as outer, middle and inner. It is composed of cellulose and so it is structural secondary cell wall. Secondary cell wall is also further divides into S1, S2 and S3. Secondary wall 1, secondary wall 2, secondary wall 3 layers are which can divides. So this is also tertiary layer. Tertiary means tritiya tvacham. Tertiary cell wall is deposited in few cells, not only all cells. It is considered by dry residue of protoplast. Beside cells are cellulose and hemicellulose, xylon is also present. Between the cellulose and hemicellulose, xylon is present. The xylon is made by the tertiary cell wall. The tertiary cell wall is not only present in all cell organelles of plant, all types of the plant cells in plant kingdom. Plasma desmata. The plasma desmata are a protoplasmic strands inside of the tertiary layer. Plasma desmata means a thread-like structures stands and connected to the protoplast of neighboring cells. One neighboring and the two cells are adjacent to each other. The diameter 40 to 50 nanometers in size. తృతీయ పొడలో కొన్ని కణాలు చమవుతాయి. ఇది ప్రోటోప్లాస్ట్ యొక్క పొడి అవశేషంపై పరిగణించబడుతుంది. సెల్యూలోజ్ మరియు హెమిసెల్యూలోజ్తో పాటు జిలాన్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఇది ప్లాస్మా డెస్మేటా అనేది పురుగు కణాలు ప్రోటోప్లాస్ట్ అనుసంధానించే ప్రాసెస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ఫార్మేషన్. Medulla amellae first formed from cell plate during cytokinesis. Medulla amellae are first formation అంటే అవుట్ ఫార్మేషన్ ఎప్పుడు ఏర్పడతాయి అనేది దాన్ని బట్టి చూస్తే ఫస్ట్ ఫార్మేషన్ ఈజ్ ఏ మెడిలా అమెల్లే, సెకండ్ ప్రైమరీ సెల్ వాల్, థర్డ్ వన్ సెకండరీ, ఫోర్త్ వన్ టెరిషరీ ఈజ్ ఏ ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ నాట్ ఆల్ సెల్స్ ఓన్లీ జెమ్నోసమ్స్. Medulla amellae first formed from cell plate during cytokinesis. Primary cell wall is a composed of cellulose fibrils produced at a plasma membrane by cellulose synthesis complex. Microfibrils held by hydrogen bonds tensile strength. Secondary cell wall is constructed between the plasma membrane and primary cell wall. Plasma membrane and primary cell wall. Plasma membrane and primary cell wall. The plasma desmata interconnecting channels of plasma membrane that is also cytoplasm and connect the protoplast. Connect the protoplast. Only one. Connect the protoplast. So which is the cell wall is constructed by the cell wall is constructed by the three layers which can responsible to the only microfibrils. Hydrogen bonds are strength also there. The secondary cell wall is constructed between the plasma membrane and primary cell wall. Secondary cell wall is a primary and secondary walls. In the eukaryotic cell walls composed of polysaccharides, chitin, also polymer cellulose. Chitin and cellulose joined by 1, 2, 3 linkages. Examples: fungal cell walls, algae, water molds and slime molds, etc. Fungal cell wall consists of chitin and polysaccharides. Matrix of three components of chitin glycosides. So this is a composition of eukaryotic cell walls. The prokaryotic cell wall and eukaryotic cell wall both are differentiations. Cyanobacteria, cyanophysians are prokaryotic. Eukaryotic means except cyanobacteria, meaning all type of the plant groups are plant group members, which is called eukaryotics. Algal cell wall consists of cellulose or glycoproteins. Cellulose and glycoproteins both are present in algal cell wall. Components: mannans, xylans, organic acid, sulfonate, polysaccharides. Water molds consist of cellulose 4 to 20% and glucans. Slime molds composed of cellulose. So this is also composition of algal cell walls. The prokaryotic cell wall and eukaryotic cell wall. The prokaryotic cell wall is a typical example of bacteria. So this bacteria is also gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. So both are the cell composition. Cell structure is also different. Bacterial cell wall is also gram-positive and negative. The prokaryotic cell walls, bacterial cell wall, major components is a peptidoglycan. The peptidoglycan is a major components of bacteria cell wall. Gram-negative bacteria thin cell wall, gram-negative, gram-positive bacteria thick. Thin means less strength or less rigidity. Gram-positive bacteria, which is also called a thick size, thick. So archaeal cell wall, log peptidoglycan, archaea bacteria. The archaebacteria lack of peptidoglycans, only composed of pseudopeptidoglycans. The bacterial cell wall which is present in the peptidoglycan, archaebacteria is also got lack of peptidoglycan. Pseudo means not true peptidoglycans, composed of sulfated polysaccharides, also glycoproteins, which is also in the composition of the cell wall. The cell wall is mainly composed of carbohydrates material. The major components of the cell wall are cellulose, pectin, hemicellulose, proteins, and phenolatics. The four major particles are present. Are five. Cellulose. Second one pectins. Third one hemicellulose. Fourth proteins. Fifth one is phenolatics. The five components are major components which made by the cell wall of plant cell and animals. Plant cell walls of different group of plants. Kingdom. Cellulose. It provides a shape and strength to the cell wall. It is a composed of 20 to 30% of the dry weight of primary wall and accounts 40 to 90% of the dry weight of secondary cell wall. The primary, it provides a shape and strength to the cell walls and it composition 20 to 30% cellulose of dry weight of primary wall and account to 40 to 90% of the dry weight of secondary wall. The second one is also pectin. They are a group of polysaccharides which are rich in galactonic acids. So ribinose, arginose and galactose pectins are present in high concentration in the middle lamellae, where they presumably serve the function of cementing adjacent cells together. Pectin. The pectin is also called a galactonic acid, ribinose acid, and galactose also pectin substance are made. So this is also called telomere. The hemicellulose. So these are a matrix polysaccharides built up of a variety of different sugars. Hemicellulose having a variety of sugars. So they are different species and different cell types, different in species. The plant species, example like families, taxonomy, different type of the families. The cell wall composition of hemicellulose is the difference in one species to other species, or difference to the genera, also difference to the families. Xylem. It is a typically make of roughly 5% of primary cell wall with 20% of secondary cell wall. Primary cell wall, secondary cell wall are primary 10% or cell wall 5%. Secondary 20% of the xylem is present. Secondary cell wall is the dicards. The hemicellulose of polysaccharides linked with xylose and arginose. So the xylose is which is also linked to the hemicellulose and cellulose. Proteins. The different varieties of proteins are present in the cell wall, most of which is linked with carbohydrates, forming glycoproteins. The cell wall glycoprotein extension contains an unusual amino acids, hydroxyproline, about 40%, which is generally absent from the protoplast. That is, extension are present in the primary cell walls of dicards, making up 1 to 10% of the wall. That is called proteins. The proteins are, so this is the difference between the primary and secondary cell wall. First one, occurrences. Primary cell wall in all the plant cells. Features means characters. Occurrence ఉంటుంది. The primary cell wall అనేది అన్నిట్లో ఉంటుంది in the plant cells. Secondary cell wall in only mature and non-dividing cells. Mature cells after vegetative juvenile stage. The plant cell which develop into the secondary cell walls. Primary only single, that is called primary cell wall. Second, position, but stan. Inner to middle lamella. Primary cell wall is present inner to middle lamella, but secondary inner to primary cell walls. Primary cell wall after secondary cell wall. The primary cell wall between before middle lamella. After middle lamella, primary cell wall is present. Position. Nature. A primary cell wall is elastic thinner. Elastic in structures. Elastic means the contraction also expansion takes place. The secondary cell wall uh, is also called inelastic, rigid and thicker inelastic, non-elastic structures. Nature. The nature of the growth. So this is the initiant epicinal, asexual, and incipient. Only sometimes or it can divide in growth. Also primary cell wall. Pits, guntal. The pits are absent in primary cell wall, present in secondary cell wall, which is also different. Additional material of primary cell wall. The additional material of primary cell wall is absent. Only cellulose, hemicellulose, not additional, but secondary present in lignin, suberin and cutin. Lignin, suberin, cutin. The three extra substances are present in the secondary cell wall. That is additional material. But amount of cellulose. The cellulose is a low in primary cell wall. The secondary cell wall is high. The extensibility. The primary cell wall is extension takes place, present. The secondary cell wall is generally absent. Then arrangement of the fibrils, focal or P200 path, fibrils. So primary cell wall absent of wavy and a loosely arrangement, but secondary cell wall is a closely straight and so parallel arrangement. Features. Hydration. Hydration means transport of the water. Primary cell wall is a more 60% of the water present, but secondary cell wall is only 30 to 40% of the water is present. So this is a difference between the primary and secondary cell wall based on the features. So what is the last one? You go to the functions. What is the means of function? Function means that metabolites, growth, development, all is called functions. So they determine the morphology, growth and development of plant cells. Morphology, growth, both are takes place in cell wall. They protect the protoplasm from invasion by viral, bacteria and fungal pathogens. The cell wall is a protective structure, protective nature of protoplast. The protoplasm is which encloses the cell wall. The protoplast is encloses the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane encloses the plant cell wall. The plant cell wall is a protective part of protoplast. They are rigid structure and thus help the plants in withstanding the gravitational force. Stands of gravitational force means so then the root which can processing to the underground. The shoot is any processing to the aerial parts. It can based on the plant cell wall structures. That is called gravitational force. They are involved in the transport of materials and metabolites into the out of the cell. They are involved. Involved means transport to the materials like minerals, mineral water, transfer from outer side to inside through the cell wall. Example, root. The root is absorption of the mineral water. How to absorption? Root hairs. Root hairs outside. Root hairs is made by the cell wall. The root hair cells, the cells, root hair cells which absorb the surrounding mineral water to absorption takes place. Means the function of cell wall is transfer of minerals and nutrients from soil to inside of the water, inside of the plants, metabolites into the outer of the cell. So they withstands the turgor pressure with help within the turgor pressure means the inside of the water is more, the size of the plant cell is increases, then outside the water low the plant cell wall is decreases, which can help means turgor pressure. They are involved in the transport of material and metabolites into out of the cell. They withstand the turgor pressure which develops within the cells due to the high osmotic pressure. Osmosis means, what is the means of osmotic? Low concentrated ions are always transferred to the high concentrated ions through the plasma membrane. Then the cell wall inside plasma membrane, but the water is a process from the outside to inside, inside to outside through the plasma membrane by low concentration only. The two cells are there. The two cells low, one cell having low concentrated ions, other cell is high. Means low concentrated ions are transferred to the high concentrated. Both concentration of the ions are equal in size, balance through the plasma membrane. That the plasma membrane outside cell wall is present. The cell wall is a majorly transfer of the nutrients, minerals, ions from outside to inside of aerial parts and underground parts of the root, any part of the plants. Functions of the cell. They with the turgor pressure and with develop. So all type of the structures are which can be uh, cell walls. Protects the protoplasm to mechanical injuries. Protects means, so it is also rakshana. Protects the cell from attack of pathogens. Pathogens to the rakshana brings. Provides a rigidity and shape to the cell. It is also correct type of the functions of the cell. Before just one, but here is a all type of the functions in the plant cells. But here, so you say that. So the only plant cells having a 2, 4, 5 functions are majorly. But here 5. But complete functions of plant cell, but here is 18. The protoplast, the protect the protoplasm against mechanical injury. Mechanical means ಯಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಸಂಕೋಚನ ಚಲನಗಳು ಪ್ರೋಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ವಾಲ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಪಡುತ್ತೆ. protects the cell from attack of pathogens. సెల్ వాల్ అటాక్ ద ప్యాథోజన్స్ అటాక్ చేసినప్పుడు రక్షణకు ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఇట్ ప్రొవైడ్స్ ఎ రిజిడిటీ అండ్ షేప్ ఆఫ్ ద సెల్. సో ఇది ప్రొవైడ్స్ ఎ రిజిడిటీ అండ్ షేప్ ఇన్ దిస్ సెల్. సో కౌంటర్ యాక్ట్స్ ఆస్మోటిక్ ప్రెషర్. Osmotic pressure means, so Dravabisana Kamadan Kamchan. It gives a strength to the land plants to withstand gravitational force to absorb this space. By its the growth, the walls helps in a expansion means increase in size. Pits present in the wall help produce a protoplasmic continuum or simple amongst cells. Pits are present. Gunter, secondary cell wall having a pits. These pits are it can be important to the protoplasmic continuum means contractions or protoplasmic threads are jointed or adjusted to secondary cell wall pits. Walls prevents bursting of plant cells by inhibition of excessive endoplasm or endoosmosis. So this is also with prevalent brushing of plant cells, inhibition of excessive endosmosis. So wall has some enzymatic activity connection with the metabolites. The wall is also enzyme activity. The enzymes are activity to takes place to the cell wall is activated and it can absorb to the outer mineral water to inside. In many cases, wall takes parts in often the defensive. Cutin and suberin of cell wall reduces the loss of water to the transpiration. The leaf and aerial parts of the plant, cutin and suberin present. The cutin and suberin is which helps to the reducing of transpiration rate. The more transpiration which can help to the degenerate of the plants or growth and decreases means the loss of the water, that is cutin and suberin is which covering the leaf parts. Example, gillid. So this is also one part. So the cutin and suberin is a loss of the cell. So also got example nymphia. The nymphia is a leafy water plants. Then outer side is also suberin and lignin present. Then water drops are only upside, not passes to inside of the cell water. Walls of the sieve tubes, tracheids and vessels are specialized for long distance transport. The sieve tubes, tracheids, దారు నాళాలు పోషక నాళాలు అన్నీ కూడా డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్. Some seeds store food in the form of hemicellulose in the cell wall. Hemicellulose, some type of the foods of storage in the food. During the seed germination, the food is which requirement to germination process. So this is also 13 type of the important functions of plant cell wall. సో దిస్ ఆల్సో కాదు యాంత్రిక గాయానికి వ్యతిరేకంగా ప్రోటోప్లాజం రక్షిస్తుంది. వ్యాధికారక దాడి నుంచి కణాన్ని రక్షిస్తుంది. కణానికి దృఢత్వం మరియు ఆకారాన్ని ఇస్తుంది. ఆస్మోటిక్ అంటే ఆస్మోటిక్ ద్రవాభిసమ పీడనాన్ని ఎదుర్కొంటుంది. గురుత్వాకర్షణ శక్తులు తట్టుకోవడానికి భూమి యొక్క బలాన్ని ఇస్తుంది. దాని పెరుగుదల కణాల యొక్క గోడలో ఉన్న గుండెలు ప్రోటోప్లాస్మిక్ యాంటెనం లేదా కణాల మధ్య సరళమైన ఉత్పత్తి చేయడంలో సహాయపడుతుంది. గోడలో ఉన్న గుండెలో ప్రోటోప్లాస్మిక్ కంటెనం లేదా కణాల మధ్య సరళమైన ఉత్పత్తి చేయడం. అధిక ఎండోఆస్మాసిస్ మీన్స్ అంతర్గత ద్రవాభిసరణకమతను నిరోధించి మొక్కల కణాలు పగిలిపోకుండా గోడలు వేస్తాయి. వాళ్ళ యొక్క క్రియతో అనుసంధానం చేయబడి కొన్ని ఎంజైమెటిక్ కార్యకలాపాలు కలిగి ఉంటుంది. అనేక సందర్భాల్లో గోడ నేరం మరియు రక్షణలో ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. సెల్ గోడ యొక్క క్యూటిన్ మరియు సుబెరిన్ ట్రాన్స్పిరేషన్ ఉండడం ద్వారా కెలోటోపీ జైగోనియా జిల్లెడ్ చెట్టు Asclepiadaceae family. The Kelotropy jaygonia gilead upper part, the cutin as suberin and also called other type of the cutin and white color particles are there. It is also reducing the transpiration rate. జల్లేడు గుట్టాలు టాచెస్ మరియు నారాలు కూడా షుగర్ అవుతుంది. కొన్ని విత్తనాల సెల్ గోడలు హెమిసెల్యూస్ రూపంలో ఆహార పదార్థాలను రచిస్తాయి. So this is total 13 different important uses for the plant cell wall. So this is also we know that. So the functions of the cell wall also 13లో అనేక సందర్భాల్లో గోడ యొక్క రక్షణలో పాల్గొంటాయి. సెల్ గోడ యొక్క క్యూటిన్ సుబెరిన్ ట్రాన్స్పిరేషన్ రేట్. So this is also 13 are same. So but it is also complete as my topic. Cell wall. Plant cell wall is a best and a first part of the plant in cell biology. The plant cell wall is a majorly protective nature and also transport of the minerals and reducing the transpiration rate. Several important features, but it can made by the only three layers: primary, secondary, medulla or middle. Sometimes are tertiary. Only 4 layers are present. Primary, first one middle, primary, secondary, 3 layers are present. It is simple type of the plant cell. But here, advanced type of the complex type of the cell wall is present in the gymnosperms, which have a tertiary are present. Inside of the secondary cell wall. Secondary cell wall also secondary cell wall 1, 2, 3, and after tertiary. That is also the total type of the layers are 4 in a advanced path. But in only lower organisms, lower plants, which are having a 3, only 2A, primary, secondary, sometimes are middle. So this is also important type of the reactions of this one.